So guys, if you're seeing the too many requests error on the Steam community market, it usually means the system has detected too many requests coming from your accounts or IP address within a short period of time. This commonly happens when the market pages are refreshed repeatedly, multiple items listing are opened very quickly, or several market tabs are active at the same time. In some cases, browser extensions, auto-refresh tools, or pricing tracking scripts may also keep sending the continuous request to the server. Because of this activity, the security system of Steam temporarily blocks further requests to prevent automatic traffic or bot behavior. In some cases, this limit automatically resets within 10 to 30 minutes if you stop refreshing the market or simply wait. However, if the problem is still not resolved even after waiting for this duration, then you can proceed with the troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. Just press the Windows button, type cmd and press enter. Now run it as administrator. Next, run all the commands visible on the screen one by one to fix the corrupt DNS or IP addresses. Once all the commands are completed, restart your PC and check again. The problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.